Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today, I have an exciting topic lined up for you, which is conditional formatting based on another set. Conditional formatting is a game changer in Excel, allowing us to visually enhance our data and make important insights stand out. By using formulas to apply formatting rules, we can dynamically highlight cells based on specific conditions. In this video tutorial, I will take you through the process step by step so you can level up your Excel skills. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, let's understand the concept of conditional formatting based on another cell. Okay. Imagine you have a data set and you want to highlight cells in one column based on the values in another column. For instance, you may want to highlight sales figure in column A that exceed a target value in column B. Conditional formatting allows us to adjust that, making it easier to spot trend and outliers. Okay, now let's see how it is done. I have this sales data here, and I want to highlight sales figure in column A that are greater than the target in column B. First, I will select the range of cell I want to apply formatting. Okay, that is from cell A2 down to cell B10. Okay, next I will go to the Home tab right here and find conditional formatting. You can see it's under Style right here. So just click on it. Now click on the button and select New Rules from the drop down menu. The new formatting rules dialog box appear. Here we will choose Use formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, now I've selected it. In the formula bar right here, we will enter our formula for this example. I will use this formula equal to A2 greater than B2. Okay, since I want to highlight sales figure in column A that are greater than the target column in the column B. Now, let's choose a format style right here. We want for the highlighted cell. Okay, I'll pick a bold yellow font to make it stand out right here. So let me choose a bold font to make it stand out. Okay, and I'll click on OK button. Then I'm going to click on another OK button again. And there you have it. The cell in column A that exceed the target in column B are now highlighted. You can see right here. This makes it easier to see which sales value or sales figure are performing well and which one need improvement. What if you want to edit or manage your conditional formatting rules? No, don't worry. Simply select the range which apply the rules, okay, which is from cell A2 down to cell B10, and head back to the conditional formatting right here, okay, and click on this. Once you click on it, then you click on the manage rule. Then you have all these options right here. We have the edit rule. If you want to delete the rules, you can delete it. If you also want to duplicate the rules, you can likewise do that right here. Okay, conditional formatting based on another cell is a versatile tool that brings you data live. Whether you are analyzing sales figure, tracking project or progress, or managing budget, this feature will save you a lot of time and you are going to gain value, insight in it. If you find this tutorial very helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exact tips and tricks. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye.